How are we doing today, guys? So today I'll be showing you the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. Alright, let's get to unboxing this bad boy. Alright, to open this, it's from the side here. This is the cover for the DJI Pocket 2. Oh, would you look at that, guys? How nice does that look? Alright, let's see what's in here. I think this is the little smartphone adapters, guys. Look at them. Another smartphone adapter for the iPhone. We just got the mini control stick here, guys. The mini control stick. And here we got the wireless microphone transmitter. And here we have the wireless microphone transmitter. And you can actually screw these onto a tripod. If you guys didn't already know that. Also has a microphone cable, so if you decide not to use a wireless mic, you can actually plug a microphone in this and also use an external mic, which I reckon is a handy idea to have. It's a very cool design to put on the smart devices. Right, next we have the door handle. It's pretty cool, just so you can add attachments and whatnot. And here we have the micro strap. That's the micro strap. And then that is just the case for the bottom of it. Another tripod mount if you just want it without it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video today. That's everything here.